Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and plan. Enable your mobile hotspot and pick 5 GHz if your TV supports it, because it gives lower interference and higher throughput. Once done, make sure your data plan has enough GB and no throttling limits, otherwise streaming will stutter. Place the phone near the TV with a strong cellular signal and plug in a charger to avoid drops. Now you're ready to configure your network name and a strong WPA2 password before connecting the TV. You now connect and configure the TV. On the TV, open Network Settings, scan for your hotspot SSID, and enter the hotspot password. If connection fails, toggle airplane mode on the phone, then re-enable hotspot to refresh NAT. Once connected, leave DNS on automatic for simplicity unless a custom DNS fixes playback. Also disable unused smart features that consume background data. Make sure the TV's streaming app is set to lower quality if bandwidth is tight. This reduces buffering while Finish by optimizing and preparing for problems. You should lower stream quality to 720p or 480p if you see buffering. That reduces required Mbps and data use. If issues persist, switch the hotspot band, move the phone for better signal, or restart both the hotspot and the TV to clear temporary network states. Make sure your carrier allows tethering and hasn't applied a hotspot block. If Wi-Fi is unstable, consider USB or Bluetooth tethering for a more reliable, lower latency connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.